Hi, welcome to another new video, and in this video we are going to walk through a new topic, and the topic is how you can change your domain name in your Shopify store. First of all, you need to go on the setting panel. In here, in the end of the left side, you will find out the setting. Just click over here. Once you click over here, you will find out what there are more options. Here you can see general plan, and you need to scroll down and you need to find out the domain section and where is it placing. So just find out where is the domain. Once you find out the domain option, just click over here and it will be moved to this page. And here you can see we have the option to change our Shopify domain name. We can buy a new domain by clicking this option, buy new domain option. Once we click over here, we have option to search domain. Like let me search a domain that will be simple, and it will give us some suggestion here. You need to wait a while and you will find out some option here. So here you can buy it easily, or if you don't have any domain, then you just want to rely on Shopify default domain, you can change the name by using this option. Just you can set here the name we simple, and just wait a little bit, and here you can see wesimple.myshopify.com is available, and click on add domain option. Once we click over here, the name has been changed and your online store domain has been set to your store. Or if you have any existing domain you already purchased from some platform like Namecheap, GoDaddy, you can connect through this option, connect existing domain. So this is really simplest process. So I hope you can easily do it after watching the video. If you need any other kind of help, just comment below on the comment box and I will make sure this video will be published for you. Hope so this video will help you. If you found out this video is helpful for you, don't forget to subscribe our channel and don't forget to hit the like button.